Boy, howdy, y'all. I am walking down memory lane on this one. When Bubba and I were growing up, my brother Bubba and I, at night we'd be watching TV on that small little black and white TV, portable TV. And Bubba and I would want something sweet. And if Mama didn't have a cake or banana pudding made, we would have her make us donuts. And they're so good and so tasty, especially while they're hot, y'all. So all you do is take your canned biscuits and just kind of do them out. Mama didn't have a cookie cutter like this, but she would just do them out just like this. And of course, we're waiting for our grease to get hot. We want it to get to about 350. Now, if you wanted to make it perfect, you could use the donut hole maker and then fry these because everybody loves the center. Let's see, I'll take this one out a little bit more. Make it perfect like the other one. And like I said, these things are so easy and quick to make, y'all. If your grease is right, about 2 minutes per side. I mean, it's really fast and easy. Ooh, I love those little donut holes. Now, Mama always put ours, when she made them, she'd always put them in a paper sack with powdered sugar. So you can use either kind of sugar you want. You can use granulated or you can use powder. Well, I do just like my mama did. I use powdered sugar. But if you want to get a little flavor in there, you can mix some cinnamon in with your, I'm gonna check my grease, y'all, and see. I think it's about to get there. Just dropping a few droplets of water will kind of let me know. So what was I saying, Eddie? I can't remember where
you were talking about adding different spices.
Oh, yeah. You can do that. Like I said, this isn't like a Krispy Kreme, which is my very favorite. My very favorite donut. Although I love those croissant donuts too, but they're in the shape of a croissant, but they put like that glaze on them. You know what I'm talking about, Eddie? Oh, honey, hush, it's so good. All right, I'm gonna drop one in there and test the water. Or test the oil. I believe it could come up just a little bit more. Yeah, it's not near about ready. I had to bring out my thermometer, y'all, because I said, this grease is not even close. Like I said, about 2 minutes per side. All right, the one that I dropped in too soon, there it is. And it's hot. And it's still good. It just took it a little longer to cook. Than it should have. Oh, yeah, look at that. This all is just right. Chubby Bubby and I'll be eating donuts in about 2 minutes, y'all. Can't beat it. We used to go to a little restaurant down in Panama City, and they took the canned biscuits and they dropped them down in their deep fryer and serve it with their like shrimp basket, oyster basket, whatever you were getting, and it was so good. It was so good. So I think the moral of that story is anything fried's good. And these are not like hush puppies. You know, if you don't turn a hush puppy right on time, you can't ever get the backside of that hush puppy to turn over. All right, I'm just going to put these to drain a sucket on my paper towels. And like I said, now Mama used a little brown paper bag, but you know, you don't see those anymore. Everything's kind of plastic now. Okie doke, I got my powdered sugar, ouch, and my Ziploc. They're hot donuts, y'all. Just give them a shake, shake, shake. Ow! They're still hot. See how quick you can do these? Ooh! And your children are going to think you just this genius. Mommy, how did you get hot donuts so quick? Because mommies know how to do everything, don't we? Or at least they think we do.
Mm-hmm. Mine did.
Mine still do. I think they may have changed their opinion. I don't know. All right, so I'm going to turn this fire off. Grab, Therese.
Well, I was waiting for you.
No, I'm the cooker. They are so hot. That one needs dunking a second time. Aren't they yummy?
Oh.
Nothing like them. Okay, last one out, so rotten egg. Look at that face, Eddie. You're missing that face. You missed it. It was like something else was going on besides a donut.
This is childhood.
Uh-huh.
Who like being sick.
Uh-huh. Okay, I've stood it long enough.
Be careful, they're hot.
Mm.
And messy.
Uh-huh. And Bubba and I drink a quart of milk with them. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, my mommy. For all the childhood memories. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.